Good evening, children. Here is the SSC Board 2023 Biological Science question paper. Just go through this. We will be discussing later. So this is for the 40 marks and 30 marks ka part A. You will be writing theory part and remaining 10 marks you will be going through objective. Here is the second question. Section 1 consists of 3 questions and section 2 consists of 3 questions. So each question carries 4 marks and we will be having one case based like. So depending upon that you have been asked the questions like this. And section 3 consists of 3 essay type questions and you have to answer any 2. Each question carries 6 marks. You will be getting a diagram here. So in the section 1, the first question was what are the 2 materials required for the process of photosynthesis to prove the sunlight is essential. You may write a number of things, that is carbon dioxide, water, black paper and etc. potted plant. So coming to second question, name 2 fossil fuels that are useful in daily life. So what else will be the used? Fossil fuels means which have been kept in the soil for longer period. Those are called fossil fuels. They will come coal, petrol, natural gas, like these things. And next one, what will happen if there is no mucus in the esophagus? So esophagus ka other name is food pipe. It is a muscular tube which is used for the peristaltic movements. So they are asking what will happen if there is no mucus in the esophagus. So in the esophagus, mucus helps in movement of the food in the downward direction. So after the food is taken, it will be passed down through the esophagus. So mucus, whatever it is present, it will allow the food to pass in a free method. If there will be no mucus in the esophagus, then this will result in the drying of the cells in the inner lining of esophagus. So for this reason only mucus is essential in the esophagus. Then coming to the section 2, the question asks, these are all direct questions only. Write 4 differences between arteries and veins. Name any 4 secondary metabolites that are used in daily life and then write their uses. Secondary metabolites, you can write steroids, essential oils, alkaloids, pigments, antibiotics, and you can explain about them. And coming to the 6th question, they have asked a table regarding to the vitamins. So we are having a number of vitamins. Based upon this, they have asked the questions, water soluble vitamins. What are water soluble vitamins? Vitamin C and B complex. Then coming to fat soluble vitamins like A, D, E, K. You can write. Then which vitamin from the given table is vitamin A? They have not given the directly vitamins, they have given scientific names, that is chemical names. Vitamin E ka scientific name is tocopherol. Then write any one deficiency disease caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. So scientific name of vitamin or chemical name of vitamin A is retinol. So what it will cause is ophthalmia, light blindness, cornea failure. You can write like this depending upon this matter. Then coming to section C, that is section 3, we will be having 3 essay type questions. In this, choice will be given. Among 3, you can select any 2. Then these are also the questions directly they asked. So depending upon this questions how they asked, you need to answer accordingly. Thank you. So here is the part 2, which will comprised of 10 marks. So here they have asked 10 MCQs. You have to read and answer properly. So first question was, identify the material used to conduct acid and leaf experiment to explain the mucus toll in the stomach. So what is the acid and the leaf experiment? So what we are going to use, actually it is a petroleum jelly. So your option related to that is Vaseline. Then coming to the second question, artificial propagation method used to produce the plants with desirable characters is obviously grafting, in which stark and cyan will be there. Then third one, identify the theory proposed by Charles Darwin. It is natural selection. Then fourth one, which of the following is not related to transportation of water in plants? So among the four options given, root pressure, it will be involved in the transportation of water. Osmosis also, transpirations. Phloem is involved in the transportation of food particles. So this is only not related to transportation of water in the plants. Fifth one is identify the incorrect sentence from the following. They have given few parts of the brain and they are asking about the functions which they are performing. So in this incorrect one you have to find out. Then match the following and identify the correct answers. They have given few scientists name and whatever the invention they have done. In this also you have to find out the correct option. Then coming to seventh one, monohybridization genotypic ratio of F2 generation. They are asking genotypic ratio of F2 generation. It is 1:2:1. Then coming to eighth one, tendency of pollutants to concentrate as they move from one trophic level to next one is biomagnification. Ninth one, they are asking about the double circulation. That is, identify the parts from the following that should be in empty boxes. They have given one flow chart like in this 1 and 2 boxes they have left vacant, empty, and they are asking which one will be included, which one will be apt in that box. You have to find out, that is pulmonary valve and lungs. Then coming to the last one, they have given one picture related to the nutritional diseases, malnutrition. They are asking to identify the picture. It is kwashiorkor. So this is the 2023 biology paper.